If you're planning a trip to Toledo, Spain, you won't want to miss this. In this video, we're stepping inside the Aurea Hotel in historic Toledo, Spain. Is this one of the best boutique hotels in Toledo, or in Spain for that matter? Plus, what makes this hotel so unique? Join us as we wind our way through the narrow streets of Toledo and step inside this historic collection of buildings. We'll explore how this luxurious boutique hotel has blended original architectural details with modern conveniences to create a high-end hideaway in the middle of this Spanish city. Welcome to Travel at Random. We're Trevor and Ryan. This channel started out of a love of travel. We're here to share unbiased and self-funded trip reports, hotel and flight reviews, and travel advice. We hope we inspire your next getaway. Check out our playlist in the description and browse the channel. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to keep up with our latest content. Thank you for watching. Now, let's check in. Welcome to Toledo, Spain. We're about 30 minutes by train southwest of Madrid. This ancient city, shaped by over 20 centuries of history, is renowned for the coexistence of Christian, Jewish, and Muslim cultures during the Middle Ages. You'll find a remarkable blend of architectural styles with synagogues, mosques, and churches jostling its narrow, winding streets. Toledo is known for its craftsmanship, particularly in sword making, Damascene ware, and ceramics. The city's compact layout makes it best explored on foot, though its hilly terrain means preparing for steep inclines. We recommend comfortable shoes. Just getting to the hotel immediately immerses you in the history of the city. The Aurea Hotel is located along a small pedestrian road steps away from the Gothic Toledo Cathedral. It's important to note it's accessible on foot only. So if you come by taxi, you'll get dropped off by the cathedral and walk to the hotel itself. So keep this in mind when packing. It's not a long walk, but it's over rough cobblestones, so it's easier to carry your luggage. The location is worth the effort. By the way, this video is part of our new Spain series. Over the next few months, we'll be releasing a city tour of Toledo, content from Cordoba, Valencia, and covering high-speed rail across the country. Make sure you subscribe and stay up to date on our latest videos. Now, back to the Aurea. This hotel is part of the Barcelona, Spain-based Eurostars Hotel Company, which has 283 hotels in 22 countries. Opened in 2023, the Aurea Hotel is made up of 7 courtyard houses, which have been combined and renovated into a boutique hotel. They've retained historical elements such as granite columns from the 16th century, 14th century Mudéjar wall paintings, and stone arches from the 10th century. This hotel is like stepping into a history museum. Walking around the property, the views and details are incredible. It's a great mix of old world and new. Like any hotel in a historic building, there are a wide range of room types and sizes. This hotel has 66 rooms and 16 room types. Many are unique, but that's part of the charm of this boutique property. We booked the premium double room with views of the Alcazar, room type, and we're in room 508. This is the mid-level room and is 280 square feet, roughly 26 square meters in size. So it's a bit on the small side, but well furnished. The entry wraps around one of the inner courtyards, and there's a small alcove with a chair and end table before you enter the main room. This entry area made the room feel more spacious. The bedroom features a king-size bed with nice, medium firm pillows in crisp linens. A small jar of candied cashews were waiting for us on check-in. There's an ottoman at the foot of the bed, a small table with 2 chairs in the corner, and a small cabinet with both a chargeable minibar and complimentary coffee and tea station. A complimentary bottle of water and chocolate were also set out. The minibar had a QR code with pricing. There's plenty of storage for your bags in the closet. The closet also is a decent size and has a room safe, a yoga mat, bathrobes, and a steamer along with hanging space for your clothes. We wish more hotels provided steamers. The bathroom was surprisingly large. It feels modern and was very clean. It features a walk-in shower with both rain and hand showers, and a window with a view over the old town. There are shades on the windows if you want privacy. The bathroom also has a toilet, bidet, and single vanity. The hotel provides Damana brand toiletries, which were good quality and smelled nice. The vanity was nice, but a little more counter space would have been appreciated. The bathroom also has a towel warmer, which is a nice feature. The room has a good size LCD TV mounted to the wall. The Wi-Fi was excellent, with Wi-Fi speeds that were fast enough to support streaming content. Fortunately, there's also air conditioning, which is good since it's very hot in Toledo during the summer. We got lucky on our visit and the high was only 87 Fahrenheit, even in August. The week prior it had been over 100. One last feature worth pointing out. This room category offers expansive views of the Alcazar, and there's a small balcony you can step out onto for a dramatic view of this landmark. The Alcazar is a stone fortification built in the 1500s and located in the highest part of Toledo. It dominates the historic skyline. The room really feels like you're in a modern Spanish flat in the middle of this historic district, instead of just a boring hotel room. The fit and finish of the hotel room is fantastic. From the hardwood floors, to the stone used in the doorways, to the wood beam ceiling and the tiles in the bathroom, they used quality materials. When booking our stay, we opted to include breakfast. You can pay at breakfast if you want. It was 20 euros per person. The buffet selection had a good amount of variety. Since this is a small hotel, they only set out a small amount at a time, but staff were on top of refilling and refreshing items. There were standard options to suit most needs. Cereal, cold cuts, fruit, toast, eggs, bacon, and sausage were all on offer. There was also a nice amount of Spanish-style options like pan con tomate and Spanish potato omelets. There were also made-to-order eggs and avocado toast upon request. There were 2 self-serve coffee kiosks, which made espresso-based drinks including an Americano, and there was a selection of juices including fresh squeezed orange juice. The breakfast was good and we enjoyed the offerings. It was well priced. Since it was included in our nightly rate, it really was a bargain. There is a spa in the hotel which includes a steam bath, vitality pool, and a hammam set in the 15th century stone arch. It is a 50-minute bookable experience for 25 euros per person, for up to 4 people at a time. The spa doesn't offer massage treatments, but guests have access to all of the facilities. There's also a small but modern fitness center with a mix of cardio and strength training equipment. The spa is open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., and the gym is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. To use the spa, you just need to inform the front desk. Now, let's go over the highs and lows of this hotel. On the lows, there really isn't anything. Keep in mind this hotel isn't very car friendly, so if that's a big deal, you might want to look elsewhere. But the marketing materials make that clear. This hotel really feels like you're staying like a local. On the positive, the property is stunning. They did an excellent job on the renovations. You get a sense of the history, but everything and every material used is quality, and it doesn't take away from the historical elements. For the rate we paid, we think this was an excellent choice. Toledo is a great day trip from Madrid, and spending the night gives you time to soak it in and thoroughly enjoy this historic city. Many people do Toledo on a day trip from Madrid, but if you have time, we think it's worth spending a night here. Since a lot of the town closes midday, you might miss out on the nightlife around 8 to 9 when dinner really begins. The Aurea is a great option if you want to immerse yourself right in the heart of Toledo. You're walking distance to many of the city's most iconic landmarks. It's right next door to the historic cathedral. We paid 150 euros or about $175 US for a one-night stay, and that included breakfast and all taxes. For that rate, this hotel is great value. Depending on your time of travel, we found the base level rooms available for under 100 euros. This hotel is classified as a 4-star hotel, and it happily falls right into that category. Our ranking takes into account the rate we paid, the quality of the room, amenities, and service that we received. Overall, the Aurea is good value. Would we stay here again? Definitely. This was a great, comfortable stay in a convenient location. If you made it this far, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.